Welcome to PatientVR Pro. Today, we're going to show you how to download content directly inside the PatientVR Pro headset. First, open the main menu by simply doing a thumbs up gesture. Once the menu appears, select a content category by using a quick pinch gesture. Browse through the available experiences, then select the content you would like to download using the same quick pinch gesture. Wait for a few moments while the content downloads. Once completed, your selected experience will be ready to view and enjoy. If you want to return to the main menu, simply perform the thumbs up gesture again. Downloading content in PatientVR Pro is quick and easy, allowing you to access new immersive experiences with just a few simple gestures.